Today I just want to share the setup procedure, how to use your D-Link DIR 825 router or DIR 841 router as the repeater. So guys, sometimes this happens, like in our house you have a Wi-Fi, but your Wi-Fi is put in a particular side of your home or your particular room. So the farthest room or the rear corner of your house, it's not actually available the Wi-Fi facilities. So you need some repeater, so that you put your Wi-Fi on another side of your home or a particular home, and you will get access all over your house by this repeating process. It will actually enhance the Wi-Fi power. So today I'm going to describe how to enable the repeater features of an existing DIR 825 router. So for that, I have connected the RJ45 cable with the LAN port of the router, and another end I have connected to my PC. So let's start. I have connected the RJ45 cable to my PC, and I have opened the browser and I have typed 192.168.0.1. This is the default IP address. You can find it in your backside of the router, the default IP and the username and the default password. So first time, whenever you start, this page will appear, and if you start, then you will get a screen where you have to select the preferred language. For me it is English, and I press the yes button and just press the continue button here. And here I will be asked the connection method. The connection method is how you want to use your existing devices, the new devices. Like here I will use my router as a repeater, so I will get the Wi-Fi connection from the existing router that actually sends the Wi-Fi signal. So I choose the Wi-Fi connection method, and when I select the Wi-Fi connection method, the work mode drop down appears, and it will ask for the choosing for the proper work mode process. Here I will select the repeater. So after selecting connecting connection method and work method, just press the next button, and here this clearly described that you can click the automatic obtainment of IPv4 addresses, but it will sometimes may arise conflict because your existing router may have the same default IP with your new Wi-Fi router, which you want to act as a repeater. So it is preferred, or it is recommended, to put your own custom IP here. So I just change the last 0, the second last 0 to 1, and the rightmost 1 to 2. So I have changed the IP address to 192.168.1.2, and I unchanged the subnet mask. So it is 255.255.255 and 0, and I put here the default gateway IP address, and I will put here 192.168.1.1. Just change the last digit, so that you can simultaneously work with, or you can access the router and your repeater in the browser without any problem. So I have put the IP gateway IP address, subnet mask, and the DNS IP address. It is 8888. So you don't have to change the default IP DNS IP addresses. So in the host name, there is a one constant is there, like whatever name you can put here. I think no special character is permitted here. You can put your repeater name like this, and you have to end the host name with a dot and the local. If you don't put the dot and local at the last, it will don't let you redirect to the next screen. Whenever you press the next button, it will raise an error. So I have put the dot local here. So I press the next. So I've redirected to the very next screen, and here you have to select the frequency band. Here two band is available, one is 2.4 and another is 5. So I will preferably choose the 5 gigahertz. And network SSID, it will you don't have to put it hard code, but it will automatically filled up when you click on the wireless networks. Actually this link will pop up one new window where you can find out your existing available Wi-Fi networks, and from their networks your router, your repeater will get the internet connection and repeats it, enhance it. So just click on the wireless networks and it will spin up until it will finds the available Wi-Fi. So I got the Wi-Fi, so I just click on, and that name actually put automatically here, and you have choose the WPA2-KEY authentication method. So it is recommended to put some password here so that no one will access your network. So just put your password here, and you have put the password and encryption type EES. So let it unchanged, and just press the next, and you can change your network name here if you want, and the password also you can give here. I'm not changing for right now, just clicking next, and the wireless configuration for the 5 gigahertz will also be available, and you can put or change your name here and put your password here, and then just press the next, and it will redirect you to the screen where you can put your interface password. Okay. So I have put my password in the to field, and then after getting the all things done, your router will act like a repeater. So give the time until it finishes its configuration, and that's all, my friend. I think this video will help you to configure your router and act as a repeater. Thanks a lot.